So my best friend Liz Winters Hanks, who married me 38 years ago, has wanted a bookcase in her room. And so this is it. I found a place on the internet where a guy gave plans and walked through it, and I took a shot at it. It's got bead molding and all kinds of fun stuff. It's 100% maple. It weighs a ton, but it's really nice, and I'm going to be happy because she's going to be happy. Well, I spent a couple of hours and rough cut all the pieces for the bookcase. 100% maple, with the exception of the cleats underneath the shelves, which are going to be out of poplar, but that is a lot of maple. That's like, I don't even know, I think it's like 150, probably more. It's like $200 worth of maple. I'm sure I could buy a bookcase for cheaper than I can make it now because of the price of lumber. I finished the face frames and the side frames of the bookcase, and I'm working on the legs now, and then the panels and the top, and I may do a little bit of molding. So I'm about 90%, and I haven't glued in the shelves yet, but all of the supports for the shelves are in. All this bead molding is done. And tomorrow I will, or someday I will glue up the top. This is going to be the top. I'll have an overhang, and it's 100% maple. Working on the top now. I got two big pieces of maple. I think they were 5/4. So I'm gluing that up. That should be the last step of the creation of this. And then I get to fill it and sand it. I don't know if I'm staining, I don't think I am. And then seal it, should be done. I finished all the sanding, which was a heroic effort. What a lot of sanding. I just hate sanding, but this is something I'm really proud of. This is a beautiful piece. I hope this will be an heirloom in my family for years. It's got bead molding on it, and it's 100% maple, maple ply and real maple, and decorative features. I'm gonna, let's see if I can get up here. Yeah, there we go. I'm about to put some shellac, de-wax shellac on, and then I'm gonna put, I guess, some polyurethane and keep it a light color. We'll see.